Hi everyone, my name is Calvin Opondo. I'm a psychologist at Oasis Health Specialty Hospital. As we all know, the season of love is upon us. Valentine's Day is fast approaching, and this comes with a lot of pressures. You get a lot of questions about how you're going to spend your Valentine's Day. A lot of ads on television, on radio, on your phones, on social media platforms about gifts that you can get, getting flowers, planning a special day with your partner. And sometimes this tends to take a toll on our mental health. And therefore I'm here today to give you tips on how you can be able to keep your mental health in check during this Valentine's season. Number one, ignore pressures from society. There is no structured way in which this particular day is supposed to be spent. There are no rules on how you can express your love. And therefore, feel free to do whatever it is that is within your capacity to be able to get through the day well and to be able to express love in the best way that you know how. Secondly, avoid comparisons with other relationships. While it is not wrong to admire the couples that you're seeing gifting each other and going on expensive trips, it is also good to remember that these couples may have been saving up for quite some time to be able to afford such expenses. For some of them, their needs and priorities are different, as yours may be very different from theirs. So you may choose to forego the expensive gifting and the going out and spend your Valentine's differently or spend your finances differently, and there is nothing wrong with that. Third, you can choose to celebrate this day with family and friends. Remember that Valentine's is a day where you express love, where you celebrate love. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be in a relationship to be able to practice this or to be able to do this with other people around you. So you can spend the day with family and friends. You can share in the love that they have for each other. You can share in the memories, the laughter, and the good moments, because this is also a good way for you to be able to spend your Valentine's Day. Fourth, if you're in a relationship, it is important to remember that you need to communicate your needs or expectations surrounding this day. You may want to go out and spend your Valentine's away from your home environment. You may want to have a day indoors and just chill and relax. You may want a gift. You may want to introduce the tradition of giving of gifts in your relationship. And therefore, it is important to be able to talk to your partner about these particular things and strike a balance. Find a way in which you can be able to do it together. Because remember, your partner is not able to read your mind, and therefore it is important to communicate. Fifth, if you are single during this Valentine's, it would be good for you to engage in a little self-care. You could always go out for a walk. You could always go for a massage, or whatever other activity that you may choose to engage in to express love to yourself. That said, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a happy Valentine's. Remember to take care of your mental health, because there is no health without mental health.